Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2021 Bentley Continental. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. Paint chips and scratches. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. Perfect. Let's take a look at the driver's door. Everything here looks fine. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. Excellent. No scratches, no paint chips. Let's have a look at the back of the car. Perfect. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. Let's have a look at the passenger door. Perfect. Now the last fender and wheel. Excellent. So the exterior of this car is in perfect condition. Now let's take a look inside. We're going to start with the driver's seat. Alright, the driver's side is in good condition. Let's have a look at the passenger side. Okay, everything here looks fine. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. Let's start off with the center console. Everything here looks perfect. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Excellent. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now let's have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.